Hey guys, Brittany Holland here today to talk to you about B3 Demi Permanent Conditioner, an innovative professional salon service that provides intensive repair and long-term conditioning for extremely dry, very damaged, and chemically treated hair. Colorists, this is going to be a must-have tool in your arsenal for all of your color correction clients, especially those with box dye. You'll also want to use it for your fashion shades, high lift, and platinum, as well as any new color clients. The best part about B3 Demi Permanent Conditioner is that it lasts up to 12 washes. B3 Demi Permanent Conditioner is specifically formulated for use with B3 Brazilian Bond Builder to penetrate the hair and fuse amino acids to weakened and compromised fibers through the use of breakthrough bond building technology. This advanced treatment reconstructs and strengthens the hair from within while helping to resurface and seal the cuticle, preventing moisture loss and protecting against heat and mechanical styling, as well as any future damage. B3 Demi Permanent Conditioner is truly a game changer because it's so easy to perform and it can be added to any color service. Your clients will notice instant damage correction and how it leaves their hair feeling remarkably healthier and also cuts down on their styling time. Salon pros who use B3 Demi love that they have a reparative service for all of their color clientele and that it creates a continuous source of income. Thanks for hanging out with me and learning about B3 Demi Permanent Conditioner. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our specialist at 1-844-366-4333 or send us an email at cs@brazilianbondbuilder.com. I'm Brittany Holland. Keep breaking boundaries, not bonds.